Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome to KK's Art Studio. Today we're going to be drawing Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho! Come join us.
Alright, so let's get started. We're drawing Santa today, which is super exciting.
Yay,
So what we're
Santa.
going to do is we're going to start with his nose.
Okay.
And we're going to start by drawing an oval.
Okay.
Yeah? It's going to be Santa's nose.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 circles right beside it for his eyes.
Well, yeah.
Super.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a little dash right under his nose. Nothing too crazy.
Okay.
It's just like a reference point.
Okay.
And this point is to draw his mustache. So what we're gonna
Okay.
do is from his nose, we're gonna make like a little loopy line that's gonna come up to a point.
So cute.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a loop that comes down and up to connect the mustache.
When he eats his cookies, where he gets all the cookie crumbs.
His
And,
crumbs get stuck in it, right?
yeah.
And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the outline of his head. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw 2 little curved lines that will come almost at the end of his mustache.
Okay.
And then we're gonna draw his beard, which
Okay.
is the funnest part. So we're gonna draw another reference point to however long you want his beard to be. It could be all the way down, short, it's up to you guys. So we'll draw a point, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out from his head, come out, and we're just gonna add some character to his beard. He's got a nice, big, sloppy
So if
beard.
I draw like a point in here, it kind of shows where his hairline is, right?
Yeah,
His
Exactly.
his beard hairline.
yep. So this is one side, and then you
Okay.
could try to copy it on the other side.
Amazing.
Nice.
Santa's beard.
That looks good.
So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start drawing Santa's hat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out just a smidge, and
From
we're
his head, the top.
from the side of his beard.
Okay.
And then we're gonna draw a curve. So just a little bit.
This is the bottom of his hat.
This is the bottom of his
Okay.
hat. Yep. Then we're gonna draw a straight line,
Perfect.
Okay.
and then we get to draw his hat.
The top part.
Yep.
Let's do it.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a curve that goes out. And then this curve is gonna be curved in a little bit, almost like the letter C. And then we'll bring it to a point. And where the lines get close together, that's where we'll draw the ball. So we'll just go like this.
That's so
And
cool.
we have the tip of Santa's hat.
Yay! My Santa's nose is big, but he's cute.
It's cute. So what we could do is we could add little details, like some eyebrows. Yep, and then we could draw some eyes,
Okay.
however we want to.
What eyes are you gonna draw?
I'm gonna draw like some glossy eyes.
Okay.
Beautiful.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make almost like a half moon,
Okay.
like a crescent moon. Add some stripes at the bottom. Same thing on this side.
That's nice.
Okay, cute.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw 2 circles.
Okay.
This first one's gonna be a little smaller. And then I'm gonna draw a bigger one right behind it.
How cute.
Yep, and I'll
Okay.
do the same thing here. What
Alright.
eyes are you drawing?
I'm gonna draw some simpler eyes for all the simple artists out there. Santa's gonna be looking up.
Santa's always watching.
Yeah, he's looking away.
And that's our Santa.
Alright, I think we should add one more feature. I think
What
we
are
should
you
draw him
thinking?
a little mouth right here.
Oh, yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah?
Yep.
Alright. I think he's cute. So now at this point, we'll just color in anything you want to color in.
Any color we want, we'll draw Santa.
We're shaded in. Okay, guys, so we're gonna fast forward the video here, and just let your artistry flow. Have fun.
Yeah, any color, any designs. Have fun, guys.
Beautiful.
Yellow beard, closest thing to white, closest thing to white. Yellow beard, Santa got a yellow beard.
So it popped off on the paper.
Yeah, I can't draw it white.
All right, guys, so these are our Santas. How was it?
Great, awesome. And I just want to remind you guys, especially kids, that art is not perfect. I made mine silly and bright and colorful, and that's okay. Like, have fun with it. Pick out fun colors. It's the holidays. Go crazy. My Santa has a big nose. Her nose is like perfect. Her eyes are like baby eyes. My eyes, he's looking somewhere else. I don't know, maybe he's looking for Rudolph or something. Who knows? Just have fun.
Art is about creativity, so just have fun, enjoy yourself, and just practice as much as you can.
Yeah, it just takes practice. So you guys have fun. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Take care.